Hi everyone, welcome back to my corner. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I have a bunch of new people here, so hi, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, or if you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to see what I do. To all the people who have been here since day one or a couple of months ago, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Today we are doing the February 2022 Crazy Cat Lady Box. So we are going to open this, play with the cats. I'm going to show you everything, tell you what I think about them, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alice is waiting for the box to be open, as always. Nico is not far away. I don't see him right now. So obviously this one is going to be like Valentine and stuff like that. So this is the card this month. It's super cute. It's watercolor and it's from the artist Yuxi. So you can find her on Instagram. I'm gonna keep it there because all the prices are there. So as always, I'm not gonna look at it. I'm gonna show you. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is one of the toys. So I think it's a fortune cookie. Yeah, fortune cookie catnip toy. Let's open this. So it's like a plushie with a little string here, which is gonna be really fun for the cats. It's full of catnip and there's nothing written on the ribbon, which is okay. And yeah, I think it's pretty cute. I think the cats are gonna love it. I'm gonna give them a little bit later because I want to film them, like I want to film their first reaction. But they are very excited. They are looking at it like, oh, that seems interesting. So I'm just gonna hide it. So the fortune cookie catnip toy is $7. The next thing, it's I think it's a necklace, but I don't really see it. So I'm gonna open it. Nico just went to the litter box. You smell bad. So this is a little chain with a little cat, pink cat. It seems pretty small. Let's see if it fits, because I know it's a chain. It's not supposed to be like dangling, but I don't like when it's choking me. It seems very small. Oh, it's not that bad. I'm gonna show you. So this is what it looks like. It sits pretty high. So I really like the little chain. I think it's super cute. And it's not like too small, actually. Like I was scared that it was going to be like that, but it's pretty sitting at the right place. So that's pretty cool. This is the Sweet Art Cat necklace. It's $23. That's interesting. I really like this. I prefer this necklace to the bracelet. The bracelet I don't really use because I'm scared that I'm gonna lose it because there's nothing to lock it. So yeah, so I don't really use it. So anyway, so this is so wine tumbler. What is a wine tumbler? That's super cute. So this is a wine tumbler. Again, I'm not sure what a wine tumbler is. Okay. So this is the inside. This is the cup. There's like a ring here to make it tight. There's a hole to drink from it. So you're supposed to put like wine in this and drink like that. It says hand wash only, do not microwave. Yay, the cat is No! Nico! Nico! Nico, you're stuck. Okay. Okay, we're back. So the cat was completely stuck in the wire, the microphone wire. It was like, so yeah, that's pretty neat. I'm gonna have to check exactly what a wine tumbler is. Maybe it says here. Ombre Cat's Wine Tumbler. Your drink will stay cool for hours while you're stuck with a cat on your lap. $28. Wow, that's expensive. That's pretty neat, but I'm not sure I'm gonna drink wine in this. We'll see. The next thing, what is that? That's weird. I don't see another toy. There's only one toy. What is it? So it's kind of fluffy. It's super pretty. It's kind of damaged. I don't know if you can see. It's pretty like worn out. I'm sorry, the cats are playing with the wire. I don't know what's going on. So the camera is moving. So I'm not sure exactly what it is. What does it say? Prisma Cat Matte Bed. It's $18. So it's for the cat to sleep on. That's pretty cool. The only thing that I'm sad about is that it's damaged, but like you can see here, I don't know if everyone got their mat bed like mine, but mine is pretty damaged. That's sad. So I'm gonna give that to the cats. I'm sure they're gonna love it. They love sleeping on blankets and towels and stuff like that, so pretty sure they're gonna love this. And the last thing, so yes, there's only one toy this month, but I feel like everything was pretty expensive, so the T-shirt. It says, "You had me at meow." This is super cute. The color is pretty interesting. It's like a pink with gray fibers in it, which is really cute. We have a visitor. So it's a higher neck, this one, and it fits pretty well. So yeah, I like it. So the cat just stole my place. My place. Okay. The T-shirt is $23. So everything was pretty expensive in this box, as in January everything was pretty much inexpensive. So that's great to see. I really like the necklace. I like the T-shirt. I like the little wine thing. The only thing, like I said, that I'm sad is that this one is damaged, but again, I don't know if it's normal or... But I don't think it is, because the top is okay. And the bottom is all... Like you can see that the color is just gone. So anyway. So tell me what you think about this box. We were missing one toy. I don't know if it's just because the stuff is more expensive this month, but they do say that you're supposed to get 2 toys. I'm just gonna check like if they change their subscription box, because they did say last month that the boxes and the stuff was starting to cost a lot for them. Everything is getting more expensive everywhere right now, so They were saying that they were making their box more expensive, which is okay, but maybe they did change something like in the package. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to check that just to make sure that, you know, they didn't change things too much, because I want this to still be something that I'm looking forward and that I'm not gonna pay too much for what I get. So we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and comment, just to let the algorithm know that you like this kind of videos, and it does help my channel. So I'll go play with the cats. I'll give them this. I'm going to show you if they like this, and let's do this. Bye.